If you're over 40, lifting weights and nothing is changing, it's not your age. It's how you're training. Most people are told what exercises to do, but the way you've been taught to train stops working after 40. And that's why you work so hard, you stay consistent, and you see zero results. And the worst part? You might actually be doing things that are preventing your body from changing. After over 40 years of training both men and women, I've seen this one mistake over and over again. And it's the difference between frustration and real transformation. So let's fix this. Because your body doesn't change from effort. It changes from the signal your training sends. The first part of that signal is the weight. And this is where most people go wrong. Because if the weight you're using feels comfortable, your body has no reason to change. See, after 40, your body becomes resistant to change. So the same weights done over and over again, well, those are just maintenance, not transformation. You need enough resistance to actually challenge your muscles. But weight alone isn't enough. This next part is where most people completely mess up. The second part is progression. And this is the part that almost no one is doing properly. If you're lifting the same weights, doing the same repetitions week after week, your body adapts to it and stops changing. Progression means slowly adding more weight, a few more reps. Every week, something has to improve. But even if you get those two right, you can still completely miss results if you ignore this last piece. And this is how you perform your repetitions. Because rushing through your exercises is one of the biggest hidden reasons nothing changes. Momentum is not muscle. If you're just moving a weight from point A to point B, your body doesn't get a strong signal to adapt. Slower, controlled repetitions actually force your muscles to work. And this is where everything clicks. When you combine the right weight, consistent progression, and controlled repetitions, that's when your body finally gets the message that it needs to change. And I've seen that over and over again. So if you've been working out and not seeing results, it's not because you can't change. It's because your training has been sending the wrong signal. Fix these 3 things and your workouts will finally start working. Now watch this video because it shows you another reason your workouts might not be working.